Hello friends, welcome back to Little Champ Nitara. To the world, you are a mother. To our family, you are the world. A mother is someone who can take the place of all others, but whose place no one else can take. God couldn't be everywhere, and therefore He made mothers. Of all the gifts that life has to offer, a loving mother is the greatest of them all. Life doesn't come with a manual, it comes with a mother. A mother is your first friend, best friend, your forever friend. A mother understands what a child doesn't say. Mother love is the fear that enables a normal human being to do the impossible. I am grateful and blessed to have a mom as wonderful as you. Your love is like a rainbow that brings color into